Hello everyone and welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree. Today I just wanted to do a flip through of this custom journal that I made. She likes pinks, sapphires, fairies, music, and she likes blingy stuff. So this is what I came up with for her. Somebody ordered this for a gift for this other gal. So I used an old book cover and I painted it with gesso, and then I used a sponge and I just blotted this blue over it. And Kim Newberg had sent me these fairies and flowers, so being that they were pink, I put them on there. I had this dangle that went very nice with everything, and it just slips on with one of those. So let's take that off. And then the back again, and this actually blue fabric. I had different plans for the cover, and then as I was doing stuff, I forgot to do something, so I had to rethink. But I had this piece of beautiful sapphire blue and gold lace, which came from Kim Newberg as well. So thank you, Kim, for the goodies. I had a scarf that had this music notes on it. So there's not much for music in this journal, but I thought, well, this kind of added to it. On the edge here, I've got some pink dangles and a little bit of frilly lace. So let's go inside and we'll just see what I have put in here. So just a lace pocket, and I did up a whole bunch of lace pockets like this, and I basically just used a wide lace and I put it over top of paper, and I just did a whole bunch of them like that. So here is my business card. And then we also have one of these stamped stitched tags that I made. And that's just a little letter on what's a junk journal and goodies you can use it for and whatnot. So this is a digital paper of mine. But I went and I brushed the back of it with just tea. And it kind of made everything run, and I actually really like it. Now this was just a 24-pound just copy paper. So, and I really like actually the effect that it gave. This is a digital kit, Ladies in Bloom or something like that it's called. I'll leave a link to it below. And I added lots of little shiny stickers and whatnot. This, I believe, was a freebie. So I'll leave a link to freebie. You could get that on the blog, possibly on Coffee as well. This is an over-the-page butterfly. She does like butterflies. So I put one of those in there, and it just goes over the page. I have a tutorial making those. Just a little goodie, and then I have this bookmark. So I just added that into that pocket. This was a freebie or from a digital kit, can't remember. But wherever possible, I'll leave a link to wherever you can find the digital that I used. This was a digital kit, or maybe I haven't posted it. I can't remember half the time. And just a big card. And I added a bunch of this little blue trim on all different kinds of pieces here. This was a shabby denim digital kit. Paper doily with some bling that somebody had sent me. I just put a little poster. That's actually a picture of her and her little dog, but I didn't know whether she'd want her face on YouTube, so I just put a little sticky note, and she can change these just by pulling that out And the picture itself is only held onto that card just by one little piece of double-sided tape. So it'll be easy to take off and put something else in there. Some kind of like a baking paper or something. These were digital kits as well. And then here is, this is from that big kit. And I'm thinking Ladies in Plume, maybe it was called. But here, I don't know if you can see the shiny on her eye and down the zipper here. I just put some Wink of Stella on there just to give it a little something extra. There's one of the little dangles that I made. One of the pages from that kit. And I just printed just random stuff on the back side of them, actually. Add a little piece of washi tape on there. I have a tutorial on these tickets. Here's another one of those tags. From what I know of her, these would really suit her personality and stuff. So this big pocket has a couple tags and stuff. Also got a tutorial on that. A lot of the pockets and whatnot that I took out of, put into here, I took out of my stash of stuff that I've made. Backside of that page. I have a tutorial on these pockets as well, just with a couple of cards. I do like how it turned out, and I hope that the lady that commissioned it and the lady that is receiving it like it as well. Tried to do lots of blues and pinks in it. My tea-dyed doily paper, a digital copy of it. The other side of that butterfly page. These, can't remember if this was a freebie or a kit that I posted for sale, but again, I will do my best to add links. So here is another picture of the folks, and there's this really cool three-dimensional flower, but I thought it wasn't too thick for inside. Got a tutorial on these pockets as well. Love this kit. Love how it turned out. Very fancy and another picture that she can change if she so desires, or leaves them there. Some more of that shabby denim kit. There's lots of room to write and for her to add things. Ticket strip, and again, I have a tutorial on the channel of that. Another one of those over the page cards, and another one of the daffodil people. And I did the hand stitching with like a metallic thread and all these, just to give it that little bit of shine. Another one of the dangles. Little flip. But yes, she's got plenty of room to make this her own, to add stuff, to write in, to add pictures, whatever she wants to do. And again, another one of those. I do like how these turned out. One of those digital butterfly kits. Another one of the blingy things. I was going to add more bling, and then I was debating. So this is a picture of her puppy dog. So I figured it was okay to show him. And then this was one of the flowers, same as on the front, and some of my folded paper ribbon. This beautiful bag. I believe this bag came from Thelma when we were doing some exchanges. I threw in one of my beaded butterfly tags. She likes butterflies and she also likes sapphire, so I thought these blues were probably pretty close to sapphire, and a big fairy tag. And then one of these fold over passport envelope type things. Nice big pink belly band, and then one of these big negatives that I made. Also a tutorial on making those as well. A little bit more washi tape. A little pocket with a bookmark that I made. Tutorial on these, and I believe a tutorial on those as well on my channel, because I took them all out of the my ready-made ephemera. I like to mass make, so I have a fair bit of stuff there. And then there was this here. This was a greeting card, and I just thought that it would suit this journal so much, so I just backed it with some cardstock. So, and it's very shiny, blingy, and being that it was a fairy and the color and all that. And the back, I had this fabric. Not quite the colors I wanted, but I thought there was enough blue in there to go okay with this journal. But I do like that fabric very, very much. And I put this fairy here just because of the colors of blues and whatnot that she was. So yes, I hope she likes her journal. But I thought it turned out pretty good. I love the colors. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Please like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. It really, really does help a person's channel to get seen. So I appreciate that, and we'll see you soon in another video. Bye for now.